Hi, welcome to a quick tutorial on the Caltrans DBE search page. This is a shot of the Caltrans DBE search. As you can see, there are tons of different features for how to search. However, it is a bit dated and clunky. Basically, the two most common features used are the locations, both the districts or the county, as well as work category codes in order to find DBEs. Here we're selecting a county as Sacramento, and as you can see, there are tons of work codes that are also in the directory that you can search with. There's actually 838, and you may be wondering how you can find what you're looking for among these 838. And basically, you kind of have to know what you're looking for. So it's not really user friendly. But if you know what you're looking for, you can scroll on through and select the items. Otherwise, it does become a little bit difficult and time consuming. As you can see here, there's just so many. And they're not just construction categories, they're just about everything. So if you need help doing this, our service DBE GoodFaith, which is at dbegoodfaith.com, can actually help you out in terms of finding these work categories that you need for your project. One thing to keep in mind with the category codes is that similar category codes may not be grouped together. For example, if you're looking for striping and marking subcontractors, those are located in a completely separate part of the work category code field than pavement marker suppliers. So you just got to keep an eye out for that type of discontinuity in the search form. Once you have all your codes selected, you can go ahead and search for your results. It'll bring up all the DBEs that match for those work category codes that are located or say they work in Sacramento County. One shortcoming is that it's not immediately apparent which category codes the DBE firms perform. Instead, the directory lists all work category codes that are listed on a DBE certification, and you have to figure it out from there. As I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, the Caltrans DBE search is a bit clunky and not all that user-friendly, but that's where a service such as ours, DBE GoodFaith, comes in. We help to ease the DBE search and outreach process through the unique tools that we've built. I hope you'll check us out, and best of luck on your upcoming bids.